Yes, good people, welcome back to the channel and cooking with a meat manifesto. So it's lunchtime, I'm getting quite hungry, and today I'm going to cook one of my favourite sandwiches, the classic BLT. So let's jump in the back of the van and put the heat to the meat. Oh yeah. So we're in the back of the van now, and today's location, we're in a little scenic car park. No doubt it's a bit of a dogging hot spot at night, but anyway, moving on. I've got my bag of goodies, and in there we've got some smoked back bacon, and then we've got some mixed leaf lettuce. I've got a tomato, and we've got some mayonnaise, and then for a bread I've gone for this thick cut tiger bread. This is going to be damn good and make a pretty nice BLT sandwich. And then to wash it all down, I've got a ice cold can of Pepsi Max cherry flavour. So next thing we're going to do is prep the BLT sandwich. So first job, slice up some tomato. Going to have a few slices of this, probably use about half a tomato. I think that'll do. And I'll eat that little end bit now. So I'm going to start doing, first of all, before I cook the bacon, is start making the sandwich. Just get the basics of it done, and then we can cook the meat. So there we go, couple of slices of bread. It's even got a mouth on it. Hello, eat me. I'm not going to have any butter with this. I think the mayo on its own should be enough for that, to add a bit of moisture to it. Oh yeah, slap a big dollop of that in. Alright, I'm going to go with a bit of lettuce. Oh yeah, that should do the job. And we're going to go with the tomato. It's going to be a messy one today. I can feel it already. Right, so that's pretty much the base of the sandwich done. So what we need to do now is start putting some heat to that bacon. For this job, we're going to need the portable gas stove. And we're going to be using my trusty old ridgemonkey. Oh yeah. Now I only put one handle on because I like using the back part as a splash guard, and when I've got the other handle on, it knocks the top there. So that's the setup we're going for today. Just put a bit of heat. Alright, so let's get the gas lit. Use a little bit of spray oil, because we're using bacon. You don't really need a great deal of oil. I should do. So as these are quite large slices, I reckon a couple should be enough for today. Oh yeah. Alright, so we should only need a few minutes cooking each side. That should be enough for this. Just want to get it quite crispy. Get a bit of colour onto it. Bacon don't take long to cook at all. Oh, look at that. Lovely. Okay, so it's getting a bit smoky in here, so we've opened the side door of the van. Oh. But it is smelling good in here. Oh, that's getting quite crispy now. That's literally taken a few minutes, and we're pretty much done with the bacon, I reckon. Oh yeah, that's looking good. Okay, so start putting the sandwich together. Just a couple of bits of this bacon have gone a little bit well done, and it's actually shrunk quite a bit. I might have got away with sticking another slice in there, but I think that'll do for me. Oh yeah. Right, so now I've got the top part of the ridgemonkey. I'll put a handle on that and we're going to heat that up. And then we're going to toast this bad boy. Oh yeah. Now if I could be bothered to clean the other part of the ridgemonkey, these are actually sandwich toasters and you can squash them down and flip them round, but yeah, they'll be fine this way. Just get a bit of charring on the other side. Okay, so I think that's toasted that side. Oh yeah, that's hot. That's looking good. Let's get that back in there. I do believe we are done. So let's try and get that off of that scalding ourselves. Oh, that's hot. Let's flip that over. Oh, look at that. There you go. Oh, look at that. That smells good. So let's chop that in half. Right, so I think it's time to start eating this. Okay, bon appetit. Oh yeah. That bacon is damn good. Well, I've got to admit, there's no clean way of eating a BLT. The mayo gets everywhere, but that tiger bread, oh, that is so good. Toasted nicely and still nice and soft in the middle. The car just pulls up directly next to me. That's a damn fine sandwich. Okay, I had to interrupt proceedings. There's a bloke like parked up next to me and then walked directly down the side of my van as my side doors open and just sort of stared at me and walked off. He was a bit of a weirdo. Anyway, back to the sandwich. A plain bacon sandwich, sometimes I will put mayonnaise in. But without salad, but without lettuce and the tomato, oh, so good. And the old crispy bacon. Just so good. But when you're out camping, a lot of people just cook bacon sandwiches or bacon rolls, add a bit of lettuce, tomato and mayo, and it's next level in my opinion. That toasted tiger bread, so good. Right, I need a drink. But yeah, this is a pretty decent little car park. It's not far from where I live. So maybe I'll come back and do a camp here, but I'll give you a little show of it when I finish the sandwich. I love bacon. Bacon, definitely the best. So messy. But let me know in the comment section below what's your favourite sandwich with a bit of bacon. Some like bacon and eggs, some like bacon and sausage. BLT for me is a winner every time. Last bit, good health. So good and so messy. That, without a doubt, definitely hit the spot. Oh yeah. Alright, so let's have a little look around. There's a little bit of woodland here. Got a bin, loads of benches knocking around. There's a car behind me there with that bloke who walked right down the side of my van. He is there. But yeah, that was the park up for today's cooking video, but I may come back here for a night camp. I'm just a bit concerned about the burnout marks in the middle of the car park there, but yeah, it's a nice little spot. Let's see what's around here. This is about 10 minutes from my house along the River Nene, not far from where I did the abandoned hotel video. Oh, we got a little field there. Yeah, that's pretty sweet. Could even do a wild camp in here. A lot of nettles. Yeah, this might be a location for a future camping video. Yeah, it's just all the burnout marks on the road is a bit concerning. Well, there you go. That definitely filled me up. BLT is definitely my favourite sandwich. If you ain't tried it, I'm sure you'll have. Get a BLT down here. They are so good. But yeah, fun fact, the smell of bacon is proven to be the one that converts vegans back to meat. You know it. So if you enjoyed the video, please get a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Every Wednesday I do a camper van cooking video, and on a Friday I normally do a bit of stealth camping. So yeah, if that's something you're interested in, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, follow me on Instagram and Facebook, The Meat Manifesto, and I'll catch you all very soon. Thanks for watching. Peace.